Department of History, Kristu Jayanti College, in association with Europe Studies, Science, Technology and International Program and National Institute of Advanced Studies, Bengaluru, organized the Europe Lecture Series relating to Europe at Crossroads.
The guest speaker for this event was Mr. Gert Heijkoop, a remarkable and a renowned Consul General of the Kingdom of Netherlands. He gave an insight on the current position of Europe with regard to the war in Ukraine. He briefed upon the importance of the historical events that took place during the 1990s.
Furthermore, he pinpointed different circumstances that would lead to the uncertainty of the future. The presentation was followed by enlightening questions asked by the students of Kristu Jayanti College and scholars of NIAS.
Such discussions have always played a key role in providing a plethora of opportunities for students to excel.
Thank you for tuning into KJC TV. Stay connected for more updates.